Novelcrafter review. Is this writing tool worth it? Well, let's find out. So, what is Novelcrafter? It's a cloud-based AI writing platform tailored for fiction and long-form writers. It includes planning tools like a scene storyboard, world building, and an AI chat writing. However, it does not include its own AI models, so you must supply your own API keys via providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google, or even run locally. So here's its strengths and why it's legit. It offers powerful organization tools. As you can see, the codex allows you to manage characters, lore, scenes, and cross-references with world depth feeding into AI prompts contextually. They even have AI model flexibility where you can control which AI powers you're writing. You can also have some suitable, complex storytelling. And they have a community and resources which is active in Discord, YouTube tutorials, and author testimonials. So it may come also with limitations and have some cautions. It requires a technical setup, so you must link your own API key and run the local models. It also requires a steep learning curve, so users report the difficulty importing existing manuscripts using structured outlines or even mastering the interface. They also have no built-in AI, so you might have some separate billing, which costs a lot because of the separate payments for the AI. You can also have a limited export and formatting, and the UI can be overwhelming. So it's best for serious novelists or series writers, but it's not suitable for writers who prefer built-in AI. So in conclusion, it is worth it if you're technically curious or committed to building detailed narratives and comfortable linking APIs or running local large language models. But it's not ideal if you want to play and plug and play AI tool, immediate output, or embedded AI models.